recipes, welcome to MellowBites. I'm Deepa. Are you in a hurry and you want to finish your breakfast and lunch with just one curry? Here we are. We are going to make just one curry that will suit for your breakfast and lunch and finish off your kitchen work very early.
Welcome to Curry in Hurry episode number 2. Soak 1 cup of chickpeas in a bowl with adequate water overnight. Now to a pressure cooker add the soaked chickpeas and then pressure cook it for up to 3 whistles. You can also use store-bought canned chickpeas if needed. Now after 3 whistles, let the pressure go off and then let's start making the curry. In a heavy bottom kadai, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and start tempering with 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 cardamom, 1 bay leaf and 10 garlic cloves. Let this garlic cloves get nicely roasted in the oil. The flavor and aroma of the curry lies in how well this garlic is getting roasted along with this curry leaves. Add a handful of curry leaves, as much as you need, and let it get roasted in oil as well. Curry leaves play an integral part in South Indian cooking and is packed with multitude of nutrients like carbs, fiber, calcium, iron, zinc. Once the curry leaves and the garlic gets nicely roasted, throw in 2 cubed onions and saute it thoroughly. I love cooking my curries and gravies in this stainless steel kadai. It's from Bergner and it's damn good. It doesn't stick. It cooks so well. The heat stays inside and makes the curry even more flavorful. Once the onions turn translucent, it's time to add all the spices. Add an adequate salt, chili powder, and you can also add turmeric. Turmeric is entirely optional, but since it adds nice color to the curry and also has some healing properties, I love adding turmeric. Add in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and saute it very well. After adding in all the spices, saute this thoroughly until you get a nice brown color texture. Switch off the flame and let it cool down for a while. Once it cooled down, transfer it into a mixer jar and also add 1/4 cup of cooked chickpea into it. Adding chickpea gives a nice thickness to the curry. Now blend this well into a nice paste. Again to the heavy bottom kadai, add some oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil here. Add half chopped onion and saute it thoroughly until it turns nice translucent. After the onion turns translucent, add the blend paste into it. Keep sauteing until this oil just gets into the masala paste and there is no drop of oil that can be seen outside. Once the masala paste gets cooked very well, it's time to add in water. I'm adding just 1 cup of water into it. Make sure there are no lumps, mix it well and then you can add more water into it. You can add another 1 to 1.5 cup of water to it and let it boil. You should just get this frothy consistency after it is getting boiled. You can add the remaining cooked chickpea into it once you see such a frothy consistency. Mix it so well, simmer your stove and cover and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. After 7 to 10 minutes, you can see oil floating on the top of the curry and the curry itself looks so appetizing. This chana masala is almost done. Now it's time to garnish with cilantro. You can also squeeze in some lime if you feel like, but this is as such so good. You can see the nice thickness of the curry here. It's so easy to make. You can just finish it off. This curry can be had as such, but I love to add the combination of cashew coconut paste into it. So I took 2 tablespoons of coconut and 4 to 5 cashews and I blend it into a nice paste and I'm adding this into it. It's just optional. You can finish it off as such or you can add this. This will add nice creaminess to the curry and this is finger licking good. When you make, you can have it for your breakfast, for your lunch and it's so easy. This goes very well with for your chapathis, rice, dosa or even idlis and parathas too. It tastes more like a non-veg curry. The flavor and aroma of the spices is damn good. Once you try the South Indian style chana masala, you'll love it and start making it more frequently in your kitchen. Do try this out.
We'll keep posting you more such curry in hurry recipes. You stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Meet you next video. Bye.